Imagine looking up at the night sky and wondering, are we alone in the universe? For centuries, people have claimed to see UFOs, strange lights, and even alien visitors. But is there any objective scientific evidence to support these claims? Today, we will explore this question using strong research skills like real scientists and journalists do. When we explore a big mystery like aliens, we must think critically and evaluate information carefully. Research skills help us separate facts from fiction and allow us to ask the right questions. They help us look at different sources, analyze the information, and make conclusions based on evidence, not just opinions. These skills aren't just valuable for today's topic and essential for understanding our world. We live in a world where information is everywhere, on social media, YouTube, news sites, and even TikTok. But how do we know what's true? Some sources are trustworthy, while others exaggerate or spread false information. Researching properly means knowing which sources to trust, how to spot bias, and how to separate facts from made-up stories. Scientists don't rely on stories or blurry photos when exploring the possibility of alien life. Instead, they gather data, look for patterns, and ask logical questions. They use research skills to analyze what's out there. Today, we'll think like scientists and apply these skills to real research, exploring what we know about life beyond Earth. Every great research project starts with a clear and focused question. Instead of asking something too broad, like "Are aliens real?" we need to be more specific. A better question might be, what scientific evidence suggests that extraterrestrial life exists? Or, how are scientists searching for alien life? A strong research question helps us find helpful, reliable answers and keeps our investigation on track. To answer our research question, we need trustworthy sources. Scientists look at academic research papers, government reports, and scientific studies to get accurate information. For example, the Pentagon's 2024 UAP report details official investigations into unexplained aerial sightings. This report doesn't confirm aliens exist, but highlights cases where objects behaved in ways scientists couldn't easily explain. This kind of evidence is what sparks real scientific interest. Not all sources are equally trustworthy. A NASA report on exoplanets is reliable because it's based on scientific research. But a random YouTube video claiming aliens built the pyramids might not be. Experts, based on scientific evidence, write a good source, and free from exaggeration. Learning to spot misinformation is a crucial research skill. Governments around the world have started releasing declassified reports about UFO sightings. In 2024, the U.S. Pentagon released over 20 new cases of unexplained aerial objects. While these reports don't prove aliens exist, they show that scientists still have much to learn about what's flying in our skies. Some objects move in ways that don't match known aircraft or weather patterns, making them a serious study area. Many scientists believe that if alien life exists, it will be tiny microorganisms, rather than spaceships and green creatures. The James Webb Space Telescope has recently found gases on distant planets that could be signs of biological activity. While this isn't proof of alien life, it gives us exciting places to investigate. Whenever you find information online, ask yourself, who wrote it? Are they an expert, like a scientist or a researcher? When was it published? Is the information up to date, or is it old and outdated? Does it cite evidence? Reliable sources include studies, data, and expert opinions, while unreliable ones often just repeat rumors or personal beliefs. Every source has a perspective, but some are more neutral than others. A government report might provide factual data, while a science magazine might focus on recent discoveries. But a tabloid website might exaggerate stories to get more clicks. Being aware of bias helps us understand why a source presents information a certain way and whether it's trustworthy or misleading. Once we've gathered our research, we need to organize our findings. A strong discussion presents both sides of an argument. Some sources suggest the possibility of extraterrestrial life, based on scientific observations. Other sources argue that natural or man-made causes can explain most UFO sightings. We can create a balanced, well-reasoned discussion by looking at both perspectives. A well-structured research discussion includes 4 key parts. First, the introduction, where you introduce your research question. Next, the evidence for, where you explain why some scientists believe alien life is possible. Then, the evidence against, where you explain why others think aliens may not exist. Finally, the conclusion, where you summarize key points and share your opinion. A well-organized discussion ensures that your research is clear, logical, and backed up by real evidence. So, what can we conclude from all this research? There is no confirmed proof of intelligent alien life, but there are many unanswered questions. The search continues, and every new telescope and space mission brings us closer to an answer. We can approach big questions logically and critically by developing strong research skills. Whether we're studying aliens or any other topic, good research leads to informed thinking, a skill you'll use for life.